Looking for a simple way to turbocharge your playing and see immediate results without having to spend hours in the practice room? As a dedicated adult violinist, you don't have those hours to spend in the practice room. You want to know the time invested on the violin is going to give you results. You also don't have the time to sift through hours upon hours upon hours of YouTube videos in which you have no idea if what is really being taught is the proper way to play. You watch 5 different YouTube instructors and they all tell you something different. That doesn't sound like a good return on time invested. It sounds like confusion and chaos. Hi, I'm violinist Heather Kay. I specialize in working with dedicated adult violinists who desire impeccable technique and to play with gorgeous tone. I've been playing a musical instrument since the age of 5. I'm a lifelong career violinist who has invested a lot of time and a lot of money to be the musician that I am today and the teacher that I am today. I received my violin performance degree at the University of Colorado at Boulder. But I didn't stop there. I continued to learn from the best of the best as I performed professionally in at least 30 different orchestras, symphonic and chamber orchestras, played as concertmaster, assistant concertmaster, principal second, and section player, soloed with orchestras in the United States, Italy, and Bulgaria. Plus, my students have been awarded concertmaster positions, highest honors at the state level in the United States, and played at Carnegie Hall. The violinists that join my group workshops find that their violin playing transforms immediately. Just with these very simple, subtle, small changes that we make in their playing, they have immediate results. It's not a matter of spending 3 to 8 hours in the practice room to progress, not at all. You can make one simple, subtle change and you find that you can play faster with ease. Your intonation improves. You have a mind shift that allows you to perform without anxiety. The topics taught in these monthly group workshops vary from improving intonation, left hand setup, bow hold techniques, bow arm mechanics, bow strokes, the 3 different categories. And currently the upcoming workshop is how to bow map or analyze bowings within the repertoire. How to know what bowings to use from what you see on the page. And how to build a solid foundation in the left hand for consistent intonation. Hear what violinist Claire has to say about joining my group workshops. Thank you for the wonderful workshops that you have given on bow strokes. These workshops, the recordings, and the wealth of material that you have provided on Dropbox are amazingly helpful. What I learned and implemented from these workshops was a real revelation to me and has immediately enhanced my orchestral playing. These group workshops are held on Zoom, and you have the recordings to access and to continue to work with on your own time. You can join the workshops live or watch the recordings. If you'd like to learn violin, transform your playing in a fun setting with violinists from all over the world, be sure to register at the link found in the description below or in the corner of this video to be notified of the upcoming workshops. I'll see you there. Ciao!